Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check link in bio on Instagram. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Instagram app. And then tap on Profile on the bottom right corner. And here, as you can see, there is a link on my bio on the top. So Instagram lets you add one link to your bio. And this is the only place where you can add a link on Instagram. So if you tap on the link from here, you will be redirected to the website. So this way you can put a link to anything you want. Just note that you can only put one link here. Now to show another profile, I'll go back. And after that, I'll go to my followers. Now I'll select a random profile. And as you can see here, they have a link on their profile as well. So tap on it to visit their link in the bio. If you open up any of their posts, you will notice that there is no link in the description or caption of the posts or pictures. Now we will go back. So once you're in your profile, in order to check your bio, you need to tap on Edit Profile. And here, right below bio, you will see an option that says Links. So if you tap on Links, you'll get to see multiple options. First one being Add External Link. You can also see Add Facebook Link on the bottom. So we'll tap on Add External Link. Here you'll see a URL section. Just paste in or type in the URL and tap on the tick icon on the top right corner. So that is how you can check link in bio on Instagram. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.